the strut is completed. One very important factor is that this plastic boot that protects the piston needs to be cut at least 50 millimeters, because the way the spring's been designed, that the spring is thicker and there's more of it here at the bottom. Because of the thickness of this, the boot wouldn't be able to fit in between the bottom shaft and that spring, so catching on and the strut, making noise and whatever else. So remember to cut the boot 50 mils. Okay guys, next tip, because this spring is sort of so close to the actual shock, the spring compressors that I've got actually won't be able to grip the spring and allow the spring to be put into the shock. So what I've come up with, placed it onto the seat, and now I'll be able to compress it enough and safely to be able to put this top cover on and everything else. So let's do this. This is the right hand strut from the driver's side, and you need to take into account the orientation of the spring roughly. I'm not sure if this entire seat and spring would adjust once installed back in the car and weight would be put on it, but this is the original strut that I've also taken out from the left hand side, and as you can see that this little W groove on the top cap is in the opposite direction of the strut mounts. So what I've done is I've copied that on this side, on the right hand strut. Mounts are down here and the notch is there. So that means that this spring seat here will be facing the back of the car, and on the left hand side the spring seat is going to be facing the front of the car. Another tip that I want to add when doing up these 4 bolts, when you're removing the initial shock, the sequence would be to remove these 2. So it'll be easier to remove these while these are actually holding everything in place, and because these are accessible by impact wrench or by socket set, these are a piece of cake. And it's the reverse when you're doing it the other way. So when you're putting the new shock in or installing the old one, you do these 2 first, so they're going to hold the shock in place, and then it's going to be easier to tighten these trickier ones because these are a little bit trickier to access.
When I was a child, I had a microscope. I could see things you'd never see, smoke and dough. I looked at a bee, I shook at its knees, tried to figure out what the big deal was all about.